everybody. Our second standard kids has come here to enact a small story. Characters in the story. Hi, hello, I am Funny Bunny. Hi, hello, I am Henny Penny. Hi, hello, Kachi Lucky. Hi, I am Lucky Ducky. Hi, hello, Goosey Goosey. Hi, I am Wuggy Wuffy. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch! The sky is going far. I must tell the king. On the way, he meets Henny Penny. What happened? The sky is going to fall. I'm going to tell the king. I will come too. They both went to find the king. What happened? The sky is going to fall. I'm going to tell the king. Let come. I will come too. The three went together. On the way, they meet Lucky Ducky. What happened? The sky is going to fall. I must tell the king. I will come too. They all decided to meet the king. On the way, they meet Moxie Foxy. What happened, my dear friends? The sky is going to fall. We are going to tell the king. I will show the way. Follow me. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Coffee Lucky, Lucky Ducky, Goosey Goosey. Moral. Don't be foolish. Thank you.
Clap, clap.